was doing that with the Walmart board. About to get him a pro deck.
Who?
You.
Oh no.
Hang on.
Go.
Feel almost got it. Come on. Manual. Oh. DGK Grizzly. No, it's just a Grizzly sticker. Super. Where are you going? It's cold out here.
Hi.
This is that one. Minivan! Alright, let's go before this. Hey, you gotta pull back more. Bruh, she almost hit us.
Who?
That lady.
That's not one girl.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, bitch.
Shut up. Stop saying. Alright, here you go. Wait, what are you trying to do there?
Ready? Ready?
Set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh! Pull back a little too late. This is like my first video filming with this. This is hard, but it's so much fun because it's like the itty bittiest camera. It's just like a freaking GoPro. Get out of the way for all the freaking cars.
6, 7. Go.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah, come on.
Shut up. Our YouTube channel.
Shut up.
Alright, cool. Alright, we're gonna do one more.
Alright. Now for one more.
Is you ready?
Wow.